Copy your script, go to Google, click on these dots, click Notebook LM, click on plus button, click on add and paste your text and wait. Now go to the right hand side, click on the video option. You can choose any style. Then you can choose output language. It can be English, Urdu, Arabic, any, Hindi, anyone. Choose the animation style and then you can write your prompt here, but I will not write anything and just enter. In few minutes the video will be ready, which will consist of multiple photos and story, and you can see the video is ready, more than 7 minutes. It's pretty long, including audio and video, and here you can download, and here is how it looks like.
Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're diving into a seriously chilling true story that unravels exactly how absolute power and unimaginable